Troubleshooting changing sensors and or wiring, which is called the loom. If you need to change sensors, first disconnect sensors from control box, the flat plug. Pull capping off loom cover down side of unit. Twist sensors to remove. Return the faulty sensors on loom to your supplier Pro Plaster for checking and replacing. To put in new sensors, place each sensor into cutout, peel off tape, press sensors onto bin, replace cover, it snaps on. Pull flat plug up through the mounting housing, connect flat plug back into the control box. And remember, you must put back cover to cover the control box. If this is not done, the unit will not work.